obstacle avoiding robot kit using Arduino Uno. What if your robot could think and avoid obstacles on its own? The Arduino powered obstacle avoiding robot does exactly that. A perfect beginner robotics project to learn automation, sensors, and real world AI logic. The obstacle avoiding robot kit using Arduino Uno is a hands-on STEM robotics project designed for students, beginners, and future engineers. Using ultrasonic sensing technology, the robot detects nearby objects and changes direction automatically. At the heart of this robot is the HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor. It continuously measures distance in front of the robot. When an obstacle is detected, the Arduino Uno processes the sensor data and instantly controls the motor driver to change direction. Want to make it smarter? Add the optional servo motor to scan left and right for advanced obstacle detection. Just like autonomous robots used in real-world automation systems. Inside the kit, you get everything needed to build your robot, including Arduino Uno, 4-wheel robotic chassis, DC gear motors, ultrasonic sensor, motor driver module, battery holder, jumper wires, and more. Perfect for school science exhibitions, engineering mini projects, STEM workshops, and beginners learning robotics and automation. Start building your own intelligent robot today. Learn coding, electronics, and automation hands-on. Order the obstacle avoiding robot kit now from IEM Robotics.